Are you looking for easy ways to make some extra cash without any investment or special skills? In this video, I'll reveal 8 amazing websites and apps that will pay you for your feedback on new and exciting apps. These platforms offer a hassle-free way to boost your earnings. Stick around as I guide you through each one and show you how to get started today. First app, UserCrowd. The first app to consider is UserCrowd, which pays around $10 per test. You'll receive payment via PayPal for each test you complete. To participate, you need to download various apps, use them, and provide honest feedback about what you like or dislike. There's no need for professional expertise. They're looking for genuine opinions from everyday users, as they want to understand real user experiences. To get started, click on Apply Now, then enter your full name, email address, and password. Accept the terms of service, confirm you're not a robot, and create your account. When asked to agree to the testing regulations, acknowledge that you will give your best effort, provide accurate information, and refrain from creating multiple accounts or sharing test content. You'll also need to provide details such as your location, languages spoken, date of birth, gender, and employment status. For annual household income, it's advisable to list a higher range like $40,000 to $70,000, though avoid exaggeration. Indicate your technical proficiency as intermediate and state that you can commit 1 to 3 hours of work. Finally, verify your phone number by requesting a verification code via SMS. Second app, Feature Points. The second app on our list is Feature Points, which lets you win instant contests. It's available for both iOS and Android. You can earn money by playing video games, participating in various contests, and completing surveys, which, though they can be tedious and repetitive, still offer reasonable pay. Additionally, you get paid for each app you download, and rewards are provided in gift cards, such as $10 or $25 PayPal cards. To start earning points, simply sign up by entering your email address and selecting the gift card option that works best for you. Third app, User Testing. The next app on the list is User Testing. By selecting Get Paid to Test, you'll access a platform that compensates you for evaluating apps and websites. You can earn money by participating in surveys and conducting recorded tests, where you use your phone to screen record your interactions with an app and provide real-time feedback. For each test you complete, you can earn between $5 and $20. Fourth app, The Plug. Another app that offers payment for downloading apps is The Plug. Users have reported earnings of over $200, either cumulatively or in a single day, with some top earners making as much as $5,000 in 24 hours. On average, you can earn about $50 per day. The app includes various apps you can install, and you receive payment based on each installation. The more people you can persuade to download these apps for free, the more you earn, as you accumulate points for each download. For instance, one user referred many people and earned around $196,000. Note that having a decent number of social media followers is essential for referring people and boosting your earnings, as your pay is linked to the number of downloads you generate. Without followers, it may be challenging to earn significantly. Fifth app, Playtest Cloud. The next app on our list is Playtest Cloud, which pays you to test video games. Typically, you'll earn around $9 for a 15-minute playtest, where you install the app, use it for 15 minutes, and provide feedback. To get started, you'll need to sign up by clicking Get Started, entering your email address and full name, and explaining why you'd be a good beta tester. Complete the required details and click Start Testing Games. Many of these games are available on mobile devices. If you're watching this video on your phone or computer, please let me know in the comments so I can tailor future tutorials accordingly. If most of you are on phones, I'll focus on how to make money using just a phone rather than a laptop. Sixth app, App Karma. The next app to consider is App Karma. This app allows you to earn rewards by playing video games, and reaching $10 is relatively simple because there are many offers available to earn money. You can engage in activities like playing games, completing surveys, and referring others. Earning $10 is straightforward once you install the app for free. However, keep in mind that this app won't make you a millionaire. 7th app, User Interviews. The next app to consider is User Interviews. To use it, click on Participants and sign up to get paid for participating. You'll need to sign up for free, describe why you're a good fit, and provide your email to complete the registration. Similarly, the app UT Test requires you to click on Become a UT Tester, fill out the sign-up form, and proceed. Another option is UserBrain, available at tester.usera.com. For testing apps for 5 to 20 minutes, you'll earn $5 per test through PayPal. Simply install and use the apps, then share your honest feedback. You can earn $5 each time you complete a test, and if you do 2 tests in a day, you could make around $10, which is quite decent considering the short time required. Testing time. Another option is Testing Time, where you can earn money by sharing your opinions about various apps and products. While you will receive payment for each test, it won't be enough to serve as a primary income. The reason for this is that test opportunities are offered sporadically. Your earnings will vary based on the type and duration of each study, and whether you can complete it from home or need to attend in person. Using these websites to earn extra income offers several advantages. Firstly, they provide a straightforward way to make money from the comfort of your home, with no need for specialized skills or extensive experience. Platforms like UserCrowd and Feature Points allow you to get paid for providing feedback on apps, which helps improve app quality while earning you cash. Additionally, these sites often offer multiple ways to earn, such as playing games, taking surveys, or referring others, increasing your potential income streams. Many of these platforms are accessible worldwide, making them a flexible option for users from various countries. Moreover, the process is typically free to join and use, meaning you can start earning without any upfront costs. Overall, these websites present a convenient and low-barrier method to supplement your income with minimal effort. So, there are several apps and websites that offer payment for downloading and testing apps, giving you an easy way to earn some extra income from home. Each platform provides opportunities to get paid for your feedback and participation. Using these methods won't replace a full-time job or make you rich, but they can be a nice addition to your income stream. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What app or website from today's list are you most excited to try out? Drop your answers in the comments below. I'm curious to know which ones you think will work best for you. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more tips on boosting your income. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.